Are you ready for pure audio bliss? Today we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, the headphones redefining industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silencing your commute, busy office, or even an airplane with a flip of a switch. These truly immerse you in your music or podcasts. But it's not just about quiet. You get an incredible 30-hour battery life, meaning your tunes last longer than your longest travel day. Forget constant charging worries. These are built for marathon listening sessions, making them perfect for students and frequent travelers alike. And for seamless multitasking, the multipoint connection lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without repairing. This smart feature alone makes the Sony WH-1000XM5 a game changer for anyone needing reliable wireless headphones for work and play. Beyond the specs, the comfort is unmatched, and the audio quality is simply stunning. Every note is crisp, every beat powerful. If you're ready to upgrade your listening experience, you can find the best current deals and purchase these amazing noise-canceling headphones via the Amazon link in my description. Seriously, for those searching for the absolute best wireless headphones on the market in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 stands out. They're an investment in peace and premium sound, and I wholeheartedly recommend them for anyone seeking ultimate audio freedom.